Hello.
Like that.
Alin ba yung bubong? Ay, oo. Di ba't nililinis nyo lang natin mga
Give to my
biga na lang. Oo.
Awan ko.
Saan
Be
yung-
careful with
Oo,
it.
sa impounding. Pwede
Ang
kong
balabi na isa.
Ay, doon ba wala ba tayong ano? Wala ba tayong mapunang pantambak doon sa ano? Kasi kahit na ano yung patagin, no? Since na siya ay ano,
Hindi forget na,
mababaw masyado yun, yung area na yun. Pag umulan, putik na naman eh. Kaya kung may panambak sana tayo, yung makasunod. Oo nga, oo, pero oo. Sige. Pwede, sige. Oo nga.
Can I help you? Baka tumansig pa.
Oo nga.
How do you open?
Yeah, mas maganda.
Hey.
Oo nga, nakakaya sa mga visitor eh. Pwede naman. Ano ba yung bago na sinasabi mo sa slaughter house? Kasi sa slaughter house actually wala nang ay hindi, temporary yung lagay. Ay hindi, sabi ng display. Ayun, sige, temporary.
A group of kitten elves live in a mysterious magic forest. The kitten elves are happily playing on trampoline and having delicious food in the forest. Let's take care of kitten elves.
Meron kasi tayo naroon ng wastewater treatment facility, ano, na ilang million yung ano, kaso mo, ang ganun ba yung So, pag nag-operate na yun, mawawala na yung lagoon. Ang hindi papayagan ng DNR ko.
The elf egg. Which kitten elf can be bred? Wow! Kitten elves are born.
May kita mo na natin. Wala pa yung ano, yung tasting. Ang magpo-propose, hindi nyo rin OTC din. Kami nagpo-propose lang kung ano.
That's Pinky Card. It's Pinky Card.
Ayun, kaya hanggat hindi na-approve yung proposal, pinipropose na engineering office,
And that's
ano, ang sabi ng ano na, siguro 2 taon na.
It's a figure of shape.
Let's check it out.
Oo, tayo naman kasi nasisira yung student mo. Kaya nga,
Put the sticker later.
kaya nga, oo.
There.
Kaya tayo. Ito lang ba? Sige.
It has a battery or no battery? No battery. It has a battery or... Can I put inside now?
Yes.
Yan ang in-order na coffee. Ano yung in-order na coffee? Mocha? Ano yun? May ice coffee? Ice coffee?
Guys.
Kumahin na bebe. Bakit tawag na? Here, oh, to this one. And the other, magical thing. The magical thing? Yeah, that one. To the camera.
For my birthday,
For my birthday,
if
it's another purple one.
yes, catch knitting.
How is it magical? It lights up or not?
It's like a
How do you light up? Do you need a battery? Or...
this.
There. Can I... How do you open? I don't know how to open. How do you open this? Can you press now? It lights up? Maybe not. You need the battery.
Like, why is it with
It lights up. Later?
So many
Yep.
things. Let's open the treasure chest.